Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Rain Instant Pay mobile app works and how it helps employees access a portion of their earned wages before payday. Designed for convenience and financial flexibility, the Rain app gives users early access to the money they've already worked for, without relying on high-interest loans or credit cards. Using the Rain mobile app, employees can track their earnings in real time and withdraw a portion of their available balance instantly to their bank account. It's partnered with various employers, meaning the app is typically provided through a participating company. Once an employer is connected, employees can see how much they earned so far and choose how much they want to access, with small transfer fees depending on the speed of the payout. The pros of the Rain app include its easy-to-navigate interface and the peace of mind it offers to users facing emergency expenses between paychecks. Many users appreciate that it helps avoid overdraft fees and short-term debt by offering a safer financial alternative. It also integrates seamlessly with payroll systems, so deductions are automatically made on payday. However, there are some cons. The app can only be used if your employer is partnered with Rain, which limits access for many people. Some users have also reported delays in wage updates or transfer processing during peak times. Additionally, while fees are generally low, they can add up for users who rely on the service frequently. Real user feedback highlights satisfaction with how the app relieves financial stress. Many have shared that it helped them cover bills or emergency costs without needing loans. Still, a few users expressed frustration over technical glitches, such as being locked out of their account or experiencing slow customer support responses. In conclusion, the Rain Instant Pay mobile app is a helpful financial tool for employees of participating companies who need access to their earnings before payday. While it's not a substitute for long-term financial planning, it offers practical support in urgent situations. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.